Good morning to one and all. Now we are going to see the next topic is angiosperms. So angiosperm which is coming under the subkingdom Phanerogamy in the kingdom Plantae. So before we have to learn about the angiosperm. So what is the comparison of gymnosperms with angiosperm? The next topic is okay. So first we have to learn about the comparison of gymnosperms with angiosperms. Both the plant body which is differentiated into roots, stem and leaves. And next one is the both the plant group, the presence of the cambium. So cambium is present mean which is responsible for the secondary growth. The next one, flowers in netum is resemble to the angiosperm male flower. So both the plant groups are flower producing plant group. The zygote is the represents the first cell of the sporophyte. And next one is the both the plant group produces the presence of the inducement around the ovule. So inducement means it is the layer which is present around the ovule. The both the plant group produces the seeds and the presence of eustele formation. So eustele is one of the type of the stele which is present in the stem of the both the plant group. And the next one is the pollen tube helps to transfer of male nuclei. So pollen tube is the tube like structure which is responsible for the transfer of the male nucleus to the ovule. The next one is the what is the difference between gymnosperms and angiosperms. So totally 8 points are there. The first one is vessels are absent except netails. So vessels are present in the angiosperm. Vessel is the one of the constituents of the xylem. Okay. So vessels are absent. Here is the vessels are present. The phloem lacks companion cells. So phloem lack companion cells are the constituents of the phloem. And here is the companion cells are present. Then ovules are nacked. Already we know about. Okay, so here is the ovules are enclosed with ovary. The next one is the wind pollination only. Insect, wind, water, animals, etc. act as a pollinating agents here. So double fertilization is absent. Here is the double fertilization is present. So double fertilization means polar nuclei is present in the ovule. So double fertilization is present here. So here is the not the polar nuclei is present. Okay. So double fertilization is absent. The next one is endosperm is haploid. Here is the endosperm is triploid. Endosperm means that is the nutritive tissue that regulates the nourishes through the embryo, developing embryo. Okay. So endosperm is haploid, that is N nature, and here is the endosperm is triploid, 3N nature. The fruit formation is absent here. Here is the fruit formation is present. Flowers are absent and here is the flowers are present. So only netum only produces the flowers. Okay. So except netum, the flowers are absent here. Here is the flowers are present. So these are the 8 points or difference between gymnosperms and angiosperms. The next topic is paleobotany. So paleobotany is one of the branch of the botany which are living in past but extinct now. So, that is the fossils. So here we have to learn about the fossil plants. The National Wood Fossil Park is situated in Tiruvakkara, a village of Viluppuram district of Tamil Nadu. The park contains petrified wood fossils approximately 20 million years old. The term form genera is used to name the fossil plants because the whole plant body is not recovered as fossils. Instead of organs or parts of the extinct plants are obtained in fragments. Shivalik Fossil Park in Himachal Pradesh, Mandala Fossil Park in Madhya Pradesh, Rajmahal Hills in Jharkhand, Ariyalur, Tamil Nadu are some of the fossil rich sites of India. Okay. So fossil means the study of the dead remains of the organisms or their imprints preserved in the geological rock is called fossils. Okay. So approximately 20 million years old of the fossils we have to contain in the Himachal Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so we have to learn. The next one is the father of Indian paleobotany. So he name was Professor Birbal Shanki. He described fossil plants from Rajmahal Hills of eastern Bihar. Pentog Ceylon Shanki, Nipani Ceylon are some of the form genera described by him. Birbal Shanki Institute of Paleobotany is located in Lucknow. Okay, the next one is the some of the fossil representatives of different plant groups are given one by one. So first one is the fossil algae. This name is the Paleoporella. Okay, so fossil algae, this name is the Paleoporella. The next one is the Dimorphosiphon. So this is also fossil algae, Dimorphosiphon. And this one is the fossil bryophytes, Nidita. Okay, so Nidita is a fossil bryophytes. And next one is the Hepaticetus. Okay, so this is the Hepaticetus. This is also fossil bryophytes. Okay, so this is the fossil bryophytes. Okay, so this is their imprints. So preserved in the geological rocks. Okay, this is the fossil bryophytes, Hepatitis. And this one is the Muscitus. Okay, so Muscitus is also coming under the fossil bryophytes. Okay, so this is the Muscitus. The next one is the fossil pteridophytes. So name is the Cooksonia. Okay, so fossil pteridophyte, this plant group name is the Cooksonia. The next one is the Rhynia. Okay, so this is also fossil pteridophytes. The next one is the Paracwanthia. So this is also fossil pteridophytes. The next one is the Calamitous. This is also fossil pteridophytes. The next one is the fossil gymnosperms. Example, Medulosa. Okay, so Medulosa is the fossil gymnosperms. The next one is the Lepidophoran. So Lepidophoran is also fossil gymnosperms. The next one is the Williamsonia. Okay, this is also fossil gymnosperm.